Want to learn how you can make more money with your Shopify store by using sales events? Then keep watching this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now, more specifically, if you are looking to learn how you can actually start a dropshipping business or to make more money with your current Shopify store, then make sure that you binge watch inside my YouTube channel on my entire Shopify masterclass. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple strategy that works phenomenally well inside my e-commerce business, which essentially is hosting sales events for your customers. And in this video, not only am I going to share with you the exact strategy, I'm also going to share with you what are the key dates for you to essentially build your sales event to actually make more money with your Shopify store. But before I get into the details, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. So first thing first, why host a sales event? A lot of people are afraid to hold sales events because you are literally discounting your products. But at the end of the day, the key purpose of hosting a sales event is actually three key reasons. Reason number one is that you are going to get repeated customers. Oftentimes, people check out on sales events or want to actually buy more because there is a discount associated with it. And at the end of the day, when you host a sales event, your majority focus should be within your existing customers and not to really use it for advertising. You're essentially trying to get your current customer to spend more money with you so that way, even if you are discounting your products, but you don't have any ad spend, then you are going to actually make more margin. Number two, you can create real urgency. People buy because of urgency. If they see a timer or if they see a deadline or when the deal actually expires, people will buy right away. And number three, it also allows you to essentially build different engagement throughout your social media and also within your customer database. So that being said, should you be running sales event every single month? The answer is no. You actually want to ensure that you run sales events no more than 4 to 5 times a year. Because if your customers are really knowing that you have sales events happening often, they will actually not come back and buy from you and just wait for your sales event to occur to actually take advantage of these discounted deals. So this is why it's important that you don't run any more than 4 different sales events per year. Now, in our e-commerce store, there are 5 different sales events that we run throughout the year that works phenomenally well for us. And I'm going to share with them exactly what they are inside this video. So, sales event type number 1 is Black Friday. Like any retail business and e-commerce store, Black Friday is by far the biggest single day for e-commerce. In fact, last year in 2020, in one single day, Black Friday has generated over $9 billion in one single day. And a lot of consumers, especially in the United States, are actually waiting for Black Friday to come and start spending the money that they have earned throughout the entire year. It is a known date that people are going to get amazing deals, and people are actually looking for deals. And if you are able to get in front of their face right away with a specific offer or a collection of products that they are interested in, chances are you are going to make a lot of money. Now, sales event type number 2 I call this the end of year blowout sale. At the end of the day, if you go into a mall or a outlet or a retail store, you will see that oftentimes they actually host end of sale blowout sale. This is a purpose for people to actually say that they want to actually open up their inventory for new products coming in the next year. So with that, you actually want to use the exact same storyline where you are discounting products heavily to actually make up room to get more products right into your store. And if you actually have a deadline to that, people will just flop and actually come and buy products right away. Now, number 3 is Mother's Day. I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that if you were to compare Father's Day, Mother's Day, and any other days, Mother's Day is always by far the best time because most people buy gifts for their moms. So if you actually own a store that can create a collection that is specifically gifts for moms, for people to buy as a gift, you will actually make a lot of money during the Mother's Day week. Now, number 4 is the spring clearance sales event. It's kind of like the end of year inventory, but you're basically doing another inventory cleaning by hosting a spring sales event, which works phenomenally well for us in our e-commerce business. Now, last but not least, number 5 is Independence Day, the 4th of July. People celebrate in the US about Independence Day like crazy. And we've tested having a 3-day sale during the time of Independence Day, and we've seen some of the most high grossing revenue by hosting Independence Day sale to actually celebrate Independence Day with the people in United States. And oftentimes, once again, people will actually pull out their credit card to actually celebrate and also to buy things because of Independence Day. Now, like I said, these are the top 5 sales events that we have tested that works phenomenally well. There are other seasonal sales events that you can do, for example, like Halloween, Valentine's Day, etc. However, those are really smaller sales events that we rather skip because we don't want to have too many sales events happening specifically in the year so that we don't set the expectation to our customers to have them to wait for a sale to actually come back. However, for seasonal sales, for example, Valentine's Day, you can actually create a specific collection that is only available during Valentine's Day, then that can actually work phenomenally well. But now the next question is, well, how should I be hosting a sales event? Well, it's pretty simple. Step number 1, you want to actually create a specific collection page inside your Shopify store and actually have it themed revolving around the sales event that you are going after. Once you have that completed, number 2, just email your database. This is one thing that a lot of people overlook when it comes to creating their e-commerce business or running their e-commerce business, which is that they never utilize their email database, which if you don't, you're basically losing a lot of money on the table. Now, number 3, I call this the broadcast retargeting strategy. So we essentially just target anyone that visit our website or bought from us and actually create a specific ad that is a sales event driven ad to showcase to all our visitors and customers, so that even those that have yet to become our customer and they see that there is a sale with a discount, you can actually turn these prospects into customers at the same time. Now, last but not least, if you are more intermediate and advanced, you can also simply create a dialing system to call your customers about the upcoming event. You can actually have messenger broadcasts, and you can even go as big of an extent of creating an invitation card, a physical card, and actually invite them to your sales event, which we tried and does phenomenally well as well. So that being said, again, once you actually have your e-commerce business built, you can leverage a lot of different strategies for you to simply make more money. And if you're looking to learn how to build your very own e-commerce business and want the help from my team and I, then I'll leave some links in the video description right down below. So that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment right down below. And if you do, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.